Differences between Earth and Mars. Earth and Mars are terrestrial planets that make up part of the solar system. The difference between Earth and Mars is a topic that has never ceased to be interested, especially in the context of people trying to explore Mars. Welcome back to our channel. Before we start, please show your support by subscribing if you haven't already, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our interesting videos in the future. Now, let's get started with today's content. 1. Natural location. Earth is closer to the Sun than Mars. According to science, Earth is the third planet from the Sun. The Earth lies at a distance of 149,597,891 km from the Sun. Earth rotates on its axis from west to east. Meanwhile, Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is also known as the red planet because its color is due to a layer of rusty dust. In relation to its distance from the Sun, Mars lies at a distance of 227,936,637 kilometers from the Sun. This is also the reason why the light element is also not conducive to life on the planet Mars. 2. Natural texture. The next difference between Earth and Mars lies in the natural composition of these two planets. When it comes to size, Earth is almost twice the diameter of Mars. In other words, Earth is bigger than Mars. The diameter of the Earth is 12,742 km, while the diameter of Mars is 6,779 km. Earth's atmosphere contains nitrogen, oxygen, argon, and carbon dioxide. Nitrogen in the highest amount, and then oxygen. The atmosphere of Mars contains carbon dioxide, nitrogen, argon, oxygen, water vapor, and nitric oxide. About 95% is carbon dioxide. Oxygen is only about 0.13%, very low. Next, the difference between the two planets is plate tectonics. The Earth has a transitional crust that is constantly changing soil form and filling the landscape. Meanwhile, the Martian crust does not constantly change soil form, as well as the process of shifting of tectonic plates. Despite the similar inclination, because the year on Mars is almost twice as long as on Earth, the seasons are also longer. Because of Saturn's elliptical orbit, the seasons are longer than on Earth. The Northern Hemisphere has longer springs and summers, while the Southern Hemisphere will have longer autumns and winters. In 1976, NASA found that the exact mass of the Earth was 59,722 x 1,024 kg. That is, the Earth has a weight of about 5,972 x 1,021 tons. The weight of Mars is lighter, namely 64,169 x 1,023 kg. 3. Time around the Sun and its axis. It takes the Earth 365 days to go around the Sun. Mars takes 687 Earth days to go around the Sun. In other words, it takes more time for Mars to go around the Sun than it takes Earth to go around the Sun. In addition, the time it takes a planet to make one complete revolution on its axis is known as the length of a planet's day. A day on Earth is 24 hours. A day on Mars is 24 hours, 37 minutes. 4. Gravity. The next difference between Earth and Mars lies in the gravity of these two planets. Earth has a gravity 3 times greater than that of Mars. The Earth has its gravitational pull of about 9.8 em/2, enabling humans and a host of other creatures to evolve and develop. That means if an object is on the ground and is thrown overhead, it will fall back with an increased velocity of 9.8 meters per second. Meanwhile, the mass of Mars is 641,711,023 kg, equal to 0.107 times Earth. Its density of matter is also only 0.71 times that of our planet. This figure is 3.93 g/cam3. From these parameters, the gravity of Mars is about 0.38 g, or 3.711 m/stu, much lower than that of Earth. 5. Life on two planets. The obvious difference is life on Earth and Mars. One of the essential elements for life on Earth is water. Mars once had water on its surface, according to evidence obtained in meteorites. Today, however, Mars is dusty, dry and desolate, and the water signs on its surface are all frozen. The transition from a relatively wet planet to an arid one is thought to be due to the loss of Mars's magnetic field. But it's possible that other factors play a role in capturing volatiles, such as the gravitational pull of a cosmic object's surface, while Earth's gravity is 2.66 times that of Mars. Earth has perfect conditions for the development of life, while Mars does not meet the conditions for the development of natural life. Above are some of the differences between Earth and Mars that are synthesized by Light 300s. Hope you got useful information after watching the video. And that's the end of today's episode. As always, if you like our videos, please leave a like, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for interesting videos updates. We hope to see you again next time. Until then, be careful and be safe.